Good day, my name is Letizia Yao. Today I'm going to presenting to you about what is project management, construction project and construction site. Do you know what is project management? Project management is the process of managing a team's efforts to meet all project objectives while staying within budget restrictions. Typically, this data is described in project documentation, which is prepared at the start of the development process. Scope, time, and budget are the three main restraints. Next, construction project, sometimes known as a project, that is the systematic process of constructing, remodeling, refurbishing, or otherwise improving a building, structure, or infrastructure. The project process usually begins with a broad needs that is fleshed out through a brief feasibility studies, option studies, design, finance, and construction. Last but not least, construction site is a plot of land where all of the operations associated with the placement of a structure occur. Typically, the landscape qualities such as vegetation, soil conditions, appearance, and so on are altered to offer an appropriate setting for experts to do field work. That's all from me. Thank you.